Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. I am Adam, and here is my friend, Sarah. How are you today, Sarah?
Hi, Adam. I am okay, I think, but I am very busy. I have so many things to finish today.
Oh, no. What is on your list?
Well, first, I need to make the laundry. Then, I have to do a cake for my mom's birthday. After that, I need to do a phone call to my boss. It is too much.
Wait, Sarah. Hold on a second.
What? Did I say something wrong?
Well, if you make the laundry, that means you are a clothes designer. Are you sewing shirts and pants from cotton right now?
No, I'm just putting them in the washing machine.
And you said you need to do a cake. Are you going to sit down and have a meeting with a cake? Or maybe take the cake for a walk?
No, of course not. I'm going to use flour and eggs and sugar to build a cake.
Exactly. You see, listeners, Sarah just fell into the make and do trap. This is the #1 problem for almost every student. In many languages, there is only one word for both, but in English, they are very different.
I knew it. I always get them mixed up. Is there a simple way to remember? Please don't give me a long list of rules.
No lists. I have a secret cheat code for you. It is going to make your life so much easier.
Okay, Adam, I am ready. What is the secret cheat code?
It is all about the result.
The result? What does that mean?
Think about it like this. Make is for the builder. Use make when you create something new, something that was not there before. You use your hands or your brain to build something. At the end, you can see it, touch it, or taste it.
So, like a cake?
Exactly. Before you start, there is no cake. You make the cake, and boom! Now there is a cake. You created a result.
Okay, so make is for building or creating. What about do?
Do is for the busy bee. Use do for work, jobs, or tasks. These are things you do again and again. You are not building a new object. You are just being active. You are performing an action.
So if I'm washing the dishes, I'm not building a new dish. I'm just cleaning. So I do the dishes?
Yes. Perfect. You are a busy bee. You are doing a task. You do the dishes, you do your homework, and you do your job.
Oh, so make equals I build a thing. Do equals I do a task.
You got it. That is the secret hack. If there's a physical object at the end, use make. If it's just general work or a routine, use do.
Okay, that sounds easy, but let's try it with my mistakes from earlier. I said make the laundry.
Okay, let's use the cheat code. Are you building the clothes? Are you a builder?
No, the clothes already exist. I'm just cleaning them. A task.
So is it a builder word or a busy bee word?
It's a busy bee word. So I do the laundry.
Yes, 10 points for Sarah. Now, what about the cake?
I use flour and eggs to create a new thing. I'm a builder. So I make a cake.
Perfect. You are on fire today.
Wait, I have a question. What about a mistake? Earlier, I said I did a mistake. I'm not building a physical object when I make a mistake. It's an action, right? So do a mistake should be correct.
Oh, Sarah, this is the most common error in the world. But remember this rhyme. A mistake is a thing you make.
A mistake is a thing you make? But why? I didn't build the mistake.
Actually, you did. Think of a mistake as a result of your action. You created a wrong answer or a wrong situation. You brought something new into the world, even if it was a bad thing. So in English, we always make a mistake.
Okay, I will try to remember. I made a mistake, not I did a mistake.
Let's practice some more. I will say a situation and you tell me make or do.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Situation 1. You are in the kitchen, you put water in the machine and put some ground beans. At the end, you have a hot drink.
At the end, I have a drink, a new thing. So I make coffee.
Correct. Situation 2. You have a lot of papers from your teacher. You need to write the answers. It's a task for school.
That's easy. It's work. It's a task. I do my homework.
Correct again. Situation 3. You have your phone in your hand. You want to talk to your friend. You press the buttons.
Okay, so I'm creating a conversation. I'm building a connection. So I make a phone call.
Yes, you are a master. You make a phone call because you are creating a call.
This is actually fun. But Adam, I have a tricky one. What about the bed? In the morning, I fix my pillows and my blanket. The bed is already there. I'm not building the bed. So I do the bed?
You found one of the rebel words.
A rebel word?
Yes, usually English follows the rules, but sometimes a word likes to be a rebel. The bed is one of them. We say, make the bed.
But why?
Think of it this way. When you finish, the bed looks different. It looks neat and tidy. You created a clean look. It's like a result.
Okay, I will memorize that one. Make the bed. Are there any other rebels?
Just a few. For example, your hair.
If I brush my hair and make it look nice, I do my hair.
But that's a result too. My hair looks different. I know, it's a bit silly, but think of doing your hair as taking care of yourself. It's part of your daily busy bee routine. You do your hair, you do your nails, and you do your exercise.
Okay, so body care and cleaning is do. Building, food, and communication is make.
That is a very good way to think about it. You are learning very fast.
Let me try a long sentence. Today, I will do my best to make a plan for my mom's party. I will do the shopping, and then I will make a delicious dinner.
Wow, that was perfect.
Wait, I used do my best. Is that correct?
Yes, do your best is a very common phrase. You are not building your best. You are just working hard. It's an activity of the mind and body. So you do your best.
I feel much better now. I'm not making a mistake anymore. I'm doing great work.
Exactly. You are doing a great job. Okay, everyone, time is flying.
Already? I wanted to practice more.
Don't worry, you can practice all day. Just remember the golden tip.
Is that the cheat code again?
Yes, here it is. If you build it, use make. If you work at it, use do.
And don't forget the rebel words. Make the bed and do your hair.
Perfect. And listeners, if you are not sure which one to use, don't worry. Even if you make a mistake, people will usually understand you. The most important thing is to keep talking.
That's true. Don't be shy.
That's all for today's episode of the English Hackers. Thank you for listening to us. We hope we helped you solve the make and do mystery.
Yes, now I'm going to go make a cup of tea and do some relaxing.
Good plan, Sarah. Join us next time for more tips and hacks. Until then, keep it simple, keep it fun.
Bye-bye.